Good evening, girls. Good evening. Today we are going to continue the summary part of the novel, The Test of Dubovils. Okay. See, girls, yesterday very clearly you girls, you know about the author part as well as the division part of the novel, Test of Dubovils. So, today I don't want to waste the time. I don't want to explain you in a elaborated way as you people like you people like the story. So today I'm going to explain you as well as I'm going to tell you the summary of the novel Test of Dubovils. Okay. In this novel, you have to take in mind, you have to think over only few important characters I like to share, but I'll tell you the characters when they come into the play. I don't want to explain separately. So when they join the play, I'll just explain you as such. Okay, so shall we start? Tess Duberfield. Tess Duberfield is the first character, and she is 16 years old, very simple country girl. A very simple country girl. The eldest daughter of John and Joan Duberfield. She is the daughter of John and Joan Duberfield. Duberfield is the name of the family, and John is the father of Tess, and Joan is the mother of Tess. So, in a chance meeting with Parson Tringham along the road one night, Tess' father, he met the parson. Parson. Parson means a rector, a member of the clergyman, a clergy member, one who stays in the church, called as a parson. So he met the father of Tess. He met Parson Tringham in the roadside one night, and he discovers that he descended. He want to descended DESCENDENT. Descendant means, once again I'll tell you, descendants. Am I right? Yes, descendant means a part of the family, a member of the family. So once he worked in the Dubervilles family. So he want the kin, K-I-N, kin. Kin means he want the relationship of the family again. So that is called as kin. Okay, kinship. The continuation of the family relationship, that is called as kinship. So by meeting the parson, John was working in the Duberville family. His father, once he was working in the Duberville's family, so due to his age factor, he was unable to continue his job over there. So he stopped working over there for the family of Duberville. So he thought a plan by talking with comparison, he want to send his daughter Tess to claim kin. Kin means working for the family or sharing or to continue the relationship. That is called as to kin, to claim kin. So, she want to send his daughter Tess to meet the family of D'Urberville, and finally Tess agreed to go to meet the member of the D'Urberville family. While visiting the D'Urberville at the slopes, Tess meets Alec, A-L-E-C, Alec. Alec is the family member of D'Urberville. He is the one of the family member of D'Urberville, A-L-E-C, Alec. And girls, his mother was a blind lady. Alec's mother was a blind lady. Tess visited the family of D'Urbervilles and she want to claim the kin and she want to work for the family again. By seeing Tess, Alec has fallen in love with her. And Tess become the caretaker for his blind mother. Blind mother poultry. Poultry means flesh of chicks. So he appointed her for the caretaker for the poultry. Poultry means flesh of chickens. So because of the mother caretaker, for a many glance, they started to meet. Tess moves to the slopes to take up the position. Tess very voluntarily he moves to the slope and he takes the position of the caretaker while in residence at the D'Urbervilles. So she was staying in the house of D'Urberville family. She was the caretaker of the Alec mother and she is the caretaker of the poultry. So this situation made Alec to seduce her many times. So he raped her. He rapes Tess. Who rapes? Alec rapes Tess. And girls, due to this, because of the rape of Alec, Tess became pregnant. Tess returns home, gives birth to a son. She delivered a son. She delivered a boy baby. But unfortunately, it is very sad to convey that, I'm very sad to say that sorrow, the product of the rape. What is the product of the rape? The baby is a product of the rape. Was died. Because of sorrow, because of ill, the baby dies in the infancy. Infancy means the childhood. So after the death of her own son, the family of D'Urberville, the baby of D'Urberville family was died in the infancy due to the sorrow of ill. After the death of her own son, she back to her home. So Tess makes another journey away from home to nearby dairy to work for the family. See girls, this is a very sarcastic situation that she went to D'Urberville family to work as a maid, as a take care of the as a caretaker of the Alec mother. After her own son seduced Tess, she became pregnant, and she delivered a boy baby, and unfortunately, due to the sorrow ill of the family, the baby was died. So she don't want to stay in the same family, Duberville family. So she's shifted to her own house due to the family problem, and due to the family situation. She was unable to stay or take rest in the home. So she joined as a milkmaid to a good-natured dairyman, Mr. Crick. She went to work as a dairyman. She started to work in the dairy under a very good-natured dairyman, Mr. Crick. There she fell in love with Angel Clary. Okay, there she met Angel Clary, an apprentice. She fell in love with him. She tries to resist Angel pleas for her hand. Please means a request made in urgent. So she pleased him to marry her, and finally both started to fall in love, and Clary got married with Tess. And this is the second marriage of Tess. And you believe that, you already know that Tess already married, and this is the second time she married Clary. So after the wedding, Tess and Angel confesses their past to each other. They confesses means they discuss about the past life of both of them. But Tess, she permitted the past life of Clary. But Clary is not ready to accept the past life of Tess. So, due to this, both split up. Why they split up? Because Clary is not ready to live with a woman who got a child for another man. Yes, she got a child for another man. It was Alk, we already know. So, Angel Clary is not ready to give life for another woman who got a baby for another man. So, both started to split each other. Angel go to Brazil. He went to Brazil, and again Tess goes back to the home. Tess agrees and returns to her parents' house. Tess eventually leaves home again for work in another town at Flintcomb Ash Farm. So again she back to her home for the second time after splitting with the Angel Clary. Again she went to work for another farm, that is Flintcomb Ash Farm, where the working conditions are very harsh. Very harsh situation. Tess is reunited with few of her old friends, those who have worked in the dairy, and she settled there. Her father was died. So she settled with her mother and her sister. Tess is determined. Once she saw the family of Angel nearby the village where she lives. She want to visit them because that was the second marriage, but it was the first marriage for her, by knowing to the both the families. So she likes to meet Angel family, but at the last time, but at the last minute, she lost her thinking. She don't want to see them. When he is not ready to live with Tess, in what for she want to see them? On her return, to Flintcomb, she sees Alk again, the Duberville family person who rapes her, to whom she was pregnant, who was the father of the first baby of Tess. He met him. She met him. Tess is stuck. Tess is struck actually. Even Alk is also struck because he is the minister, evangelical minister. Evangelical means religious minister. Seema, already he belongs to a very sophisticated family, and even now he is the minister of the evangelical means religious minister, and he was preaching to the folks in the countryside. Folks means people in the general. He met her. Alk met her, and he was stuck, and he was in a good position now. Alk was in a good position now. Alk asked Tess to come and live with her. To come and live with him. Tess knows that she cannot resist Alk money, and she don't want to marry him again. And she told that already she got married with Angel Clary. Immediately, Alk told that after a long gap of meeting both, frequently Alk visited Tess, and he was keep on calling her to marry him and asked her to come and settle with him. So Tess returns home to find her mother recovering from her illness. She came back to her home again after failed to see the family of Clary. She came to know that her mother was well and good, but her father was suddenly died due to an sudden ailment. Ailment means illness. So anyhow, she want to settle with her family. Now she have to take care of her mother as well as her sister. Now she needs the hand of a man to support them. She decided to go along with Alk, because Alk once told her that Clary is not ready to live with her, and he will not come back to see Tess. So by believing the words of Alk, she agreed to live with him. And she was living in a very sophisticated family. When she was about to before going to the Alk, she was sent out from the cottage where they were living. They don't have money to pay for the cottages. Dubervilles, they don't have place to go, where to stay because they don't have a place. So Tess knows that she can't resist Alk money and comforts a family can use. See, She don't want to use Alk money or Alk, but anyhow she want to settle her family. She returns. She believed the words of Alk. She started to stay with Alk. In the meantime, when she was agreed to stay with Alk, it was a very crucial period for her, ma. This poor angel has returned from Brazil and he want to settle with Tess because he understand the real nature. He understand the real nature of Tess. But when he came in search of Tess, everyone told that she has gone. She has gone with Alk and she is leading a fashionable life. Because he was a minister. Who was a minister? Alk was a minister. And he finds Tess was living as an upper class lady with Alk d'Urberville. And finally, Clary got a chance to meet Tess. And Tess asked him to leave and not return to her. She asked him not to return and she don't want to see him anymore because he is a man who left her alone. Angel does leave, resigned that he has just Tess so harshly and returned too late. And he told her that he has come late because he judged him wrongly. Now he understands the real nature of Tess. But she is leading a very fashionable life with Alk d'Urberville. We already know. After meeting with Angel, she went to Alk. She started to show her anger towards Alk for cheating her for the second time. First time, he seduced her, rapes her. First time. For the second time, he told that Clary will not come again and he is not ready to accept Tess. It was a fake message was given by Al to get married Tess. So very angrily, with her anger and with a very wild situation, that is, she stabs Alk through the heart. She stabs Alk through the heart with a carving knife, killing him. She killed him, ma. With the help of knife, she stabs the heart of the Alk for cheating him. Okay? Tess finds Angel to tell him of the deed. She tell what is the deed. She want to live with Angel again. Angel has trouble. Now they can't live here because she murdered Alk now. Angel was very happy to welcome Tess again into the life. The two travel the countryside via back roads to avoid detection. Now both want to stay together, but they can't live because she is a victim, one who kills. She killed Alk. So they have planned to leave the country immediately. As soon as they leaving, they were before cut before going into the next place. They have made their place in one vacant house and reunited in bliss for a short period. They were lived happily in the vacant house for a short period. Then after that, they are discovered. They have and the trial ends at the Stonehenge because the police arrested Tess for her criminal case. What was the criminal case? She killed the elk with a knife. She stabs him. Yes, she have to accept, na? She have to accept before she is executed for her crime. Tess has promised before she was caught up by the police. She got a promise from her husband Angel Clary that he have to marry her sister Liza Lu once she is gone. In case if she was caught by the police, Angel Clary have to get married Tess' sister Liza. Angel agrees along with Liza witness both after the arrest of Tess. Angel Clary, he married Liza Lu, and there was a black flag, ma. There was a black flag raised in the city of Winchester. It was a place, ma. It was a city. There was a flag hanging. It was a black flag, and the black flag it donates. It was the death of Tess. She was hanged for her criminal case. The two, Angel and Liza Lu, lived together, and the tragic tale of end. Tess died. Alk was stabbed by her. Due to that, she was hanged to death. And finally, Angel Clary, he married Tess' sister Liza Lu. And this was the end of the play Tess of D'Urbervilles. This was a very beautiful, tragic, not beautiful, it was a very tragic novel, ma. I hope you have understood clearly. I wish girls go to listen to my recording properly and then prepare your own essay. If you have any doubts, you can ask me, girls, in the comment section. Thank you, girls. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. I wish everyone to stay home, stay safe, and go digital.